Here, advanced technology blends raw materials, meticulously crafting the ideal substrate for shiitake cultivation. Immense pressure and heat sterilize the substrate, preparing it for cultivation. Precise automation injects substrate blocks with shiitake mycelium culture in a sterile clean room. Advanced logistics transport the prized shiitake mushrooms to their next stage of processing. Precision robotics efficiently unload countless substrate blocks, initiating the journey of our shiitake mushrooms. In vast incubation halls, automated systems orchestrate the precise cultivation of our shiitake mushrooms. Hundreds of feet high shelves become home to the vital substrate blocks, ensuring optimal growth conditions. Human oversight ensures the continuous, flawless operation of these cutting-edge cultivation systems. This sophisticated choreography of machines creates the perfect environment for exceptional shiitake mushroom development. In state-of-the-art incubation racks, the journey of shiitake mushrooms begins. The mycelial web expands dramatically rapidly, consuming the dark substrate in a mesmerizing dance of growth. Across rows of giant incubation racks, the substrate blocks are transformed by a dense, healthy mycelial mat. Tiny pinheads emerge, signaling the beginning of mushroom formation as life takes root. Small shiitake mushrooms, characterized by their emerging brown caps, begin to unfold their unique beauty. Fully formed shiitake mushrooms, plump and firm, present their characteristic dark caps and pale gills. Colossal gantry cranes precisely transport colonized blocks from darkness to light, initiating the mushroom's fruiting phase. Guided by advanced systems, the blocks journey towards optimal conditions for rapid fruiting. Robotic precision places the blocks, preparing them for the delicate process of mushroom cultivation. Precision climate control is vital, ensuring each shiitake mushroom develops perfectly. From a subtle emergence, shiitake mushroom pins begin their journey of rapid growth. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. Soon the nascent caps begin to form, distinguishing each mushroom's unique shape. Through advanced systems, each mushroom reaches half its mature size with perfect environmental control. Fully mature shiitake mushrooms stand robust and ready, a testament to precision farming. Every individual mushroom reflects the precise care invested in its cultivation. Witness the silent, synchronized explosion of life as shiitake mushrooms begin their rapid growth. The chamber transforms a testament to precision agriculture and natural wonders. Each cap unfurls, revealing the intricate patterns of natural perfection. Under advanced control, a rich harvest unfolds. Automated systems prepare the mature shiitake for the next stage. Each shiitake is meticulously cleaned, preserving its natural quality and freshness. Selected shiitake mushrooms are gently transferred for further processing. Precision slicing transforms whole shiitake into versatile culinary components. Advanced robotics meticulously weigh and package each fresh shiitake. Freshness is sealed, ready for distribution to homes and kitchens. From cultivation to package, a journey of purity and precision. Ready for global journeys from farm to table. Witness the automated giants begin their methodical harvest. Precision robotics ensure every shiitake is perfectly harvested. This relentless automation ensures a continuous supply of premium shiitake mushrooms. Advanced optical sensors meticulously analyze each shiitake mushroom for optimal quality. Subtle white fissures on the cap are a signature of quality meticulously detected by the sensors. Robotic precision ensures every angle is assessed, guaranteeing thorough inspection. Mushrooms failing to meet strict quality standards are swiftly identified for removal. Real-time data streams provide comprehensive insights into the quality control process. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. Advanced robotics ensure each shiitake mushroom is harvested at peak maturity. Each delicate twist ensures perfect detachment, leaving immature mushrooms to flourish. Robots work in unison, ensuring optimal yield and efficiency. Precision harvesting minimizes waste and optimizes growth cycles for future yields. Continuous harvesting ensures a steady supply of premium quality shiitake. This state-of-the-art process guarantees sustainable high-quality shiitake mushroom production. Advanced conveyors precisely transport each shiitake, ensuring optimal condition from harvest to processing. A steady river of premium shiitakes flows ready for the next stage of transformation. A colossal tumbler begins the meticulous journey of cleansing, preparing each shiitake for its next stage. High-pressure jets ensure every surface is meticulously cleaned, a testament to modern hygiene standards. Emerging pristine, the shiitake mushrooms are now perfectly prepared for their journey to packaging. High-speed cameras and lasers meticulously scan each mushroom, analyzing every detail. Precisely timed jets of air separate mushrooms by size and grade, ensuring optimal quality control. The optical sorting system is a marvel of automation, handling thousands of mushrooms with incredible speed. From a distance, the optical sorting line operates with mesmerizing precision and scale. Every mushroom meets strict quality standards, ensuring only the finest reach consumers. This automated precision ensures consistency and excellence in every shiitake mushroom product. Precision engineering transforms raw mushrooms into perfect uniform slices. Thousands of mushrooms are instantly transformed, each slice a testament to efficiency. A steady river of perfectly cut shiitake slices moves swiftly, ready for the next stage. Advanced sensors meticulously inspect each slice, ensuring only the highest quality proceeds. From raw mushroom to uniform slice, the process is a ballet of automated precision. Advanced automation orchestrates the journey of shiitake mushrooms from harvest to packaging. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. Robotic precision handles each shiitake, ensuring optimal quality and integrity. From sorting to slicing, every stage ensures shiitake perfection. Seamlessly, whole and sliced shiitakes merge into distinct packaging lines. Gleaming machinery ensures every package meets the highest standards of freshness. From the farm to your table, our shiitakes reflect peak freshness and quality. Precision robotics ensure each shiitake package meets exact weight specifications. The newly filled trays embark on their journey to preservation. Advanced vacuum technology locks in freshness, extending shelf life naturally. From raw ingredient to retail-ready packaging ensures optimal quality. The journey concludes as packaged shiitakes prepare for market distribution. These carefully sliced shiitakes now begin their transformative journey into the heart of a colossal drying facility. Advanced automation ensures each mushroom slice receives consistent optimal drying treatment. Within its controlled environment, warm air meticulously extracts moisture, preserving flavor and texture. Crispy shiitake chips emerge, signaling the next stage of transformation. Into the colossal mill, chips are transformed into fine powder. Inside, the powerful mill meticulously grinds, creating a perfect powder. This fine powder, rich in flavor, is ready for its next culinary journey. Advanced automation ensures every product is perfectly prepared for global distribution. Dried shiitake and mushroom powder join the packaging flow, expanding product versatility. Finally, shiitake powder jars are packaged, completing a diverse product range. All product lines merge, ready for final stacking by a colossal robotic palletizer. In the culinary heart of the facility, precision blades prepare premium cuts for pristine vegetables. Join the mushrooms, united by a rigorous standard of hygiene. Automated woks ignite, welcoming the fresh harvest into a searing embrace. Rhythmic mechanical arms toss the ingredients, ensuring a perfect sear on every slice. Infused with savory richness, the finished dish flows onward, glistening and ready. Robotic precision plates the main course, balancing speed with delicate presentation. Digital eyes scan beneath the surface, guaranteeing safety without compromising speed. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. Batches are consolidated, packed with the synchronized efficiency of a hive. Secured for transit, the shipment is wrapped tight against the elements. Autonomous navigators silently guide the finished stock through the warehouse complex.